Hey everybody, how y'all doing? This is SOO E SOSS E SOSS Presents, and what I'm doing today is working in Maschine software. I'm going to create some kind of beat in using the expansions. I'm going to select the expansion and see what we're going to work with. I got a few of them here. Let's go into create cuts, see what they got. And okay, let's and what happens with these expansions, they give you a little sample. You can turn this on down here or so you can hear a little sample of what it sounds like, but it don't mean you play their song or use their song. You use the instruments that's already created in that kit. So basically that's what it is. So I could go through here and just select it by name, or if I hear something in it, I'm go ahead and create my own thing. So let's just listen. Okay, all right. So I think work with that what you just heard. Yeah. So what's happening is I'm hitting my Maschine controller and listening to each individual what I got to work with instrument. Okay, now y'all heard how that vibe sound, but I'm gonna create my own. Sound like R&B. Hey, nah. Yeah, I'm gonna just make it simple, like CMP say. Keep it simple, but don't be basic. Yeah, something like that. Hey, hey, yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'm moving it and see what it sounds like if I move it. Yeah, and see right here you can change the volume. But I like that. Okay, that's what I'm going to work with. And this end part right there, that's called a turnaround. Don't take away the monotonous too. So now I'm gonna click it right here to the next one. But I want to stay in that same kit. So what I'm going to do is highlight that, right click, copy, go right here, paste, because I want to stay in that same kit. However, I want to use a different instrument, so I'm going to erase this instrument. So highlight and delete, but it's still, the measures is all set up already. So now let me just find another instrument. Let me look for the snare. Clap. No. Yeah, sound more like a jazzy type thing. Okay. Then you can go right here and change the volume. Cut that metronome off so it won't get in my way. Yeah, see, I'm setting it up. Yeah. Since I got that, and that's the percussion, let me stick with the drums. Okay, let's stick with the drums. And I'm putting them all on this one track, but normally I would duplicate for each individual instrument that I'm going to do. But for the sake of time, I'm going to just put the drums all on this one right here. Okay, talk to me. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I want some more drums, some more hi-hats and stuff like that, and this kit don't have it. So I'm going to a different kit. Okay, now let's go. Let's see. Now I think I want to do the hi-hat. Now go to the pencil tool. Yeah, and draw it. Yeah. See what I'm saying? Right there. And if I want to make it interesting or bounce, you remove some of them and it gives you more of a bounce. Watch. I'm gonna make a little more space right here so I can show you something. Now you hear how it's going. Now you can go right here to the time and let me change it to 16ths. Make that grid smaller. Take the pencil tool and now since that's there, I want to hear. See, I don't need no help with all that. I could do that myself. I just want the instrument. Okay. Let me hear what it. Sometimes you want to layer stuff too. It sounds different. Yeah, see now that clap, now listen to it. I'm a layer that clap. Change that back to the A. I'm gonna layer this clap, because this got a different clap than the one you hear here. See it? So I'm gonna layer this clap with this clap. It's gonna sound good, it'll sound better. Sounds so much better. And now let's see. Let's see. Uh-huh. I want that snare. To layer 2 as well. See there, yeah. And that's like more like a real drummer, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, that's that right there. Save that. And then give it a little more vibe. You want a low, a middle, and a high frequencies. That's what you want to fill up. So now I'm gonna just add another track, and I'm gonna look for something else. Okay, I like that bass. Yeah, I like that bass. See, you hit it. You just give me that one key. I like that bass. Do 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 do. Oh. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, I love you. Nah, but you know somebody can rap. Yeah, yeah. But you see how that bottom made a difference because we had a little bit of high and we had a little bit of bottom. You see what I'm saying? So that's what makes the difference. And I'm going to add another track because I like that. And you want to name what these instruments are. And to do that, like, it's a bass. So you right click and you go to rename. And I'm going to just say bass. You see what I'm saying? And then you can solo it. You can go here, click. Go here, right click here. And then you can solo and see what it was. Oh, that's the multiple instruments. So I will have to do a couple other things to separate the tracks. Basically, you would duplicate this track multiple times, like 1, 2, 3, 4 instruments are here. So you would duplicate it where you have 4 new tracks, okay, and you would erase each. I'm gonna just do it, but I got that on other tutorials. But anyway, okay, let's go here. Okay, you hear this? Now you hear the 3 different instruments. So what you would do, copy, and then add a track, paste, add a track, paste, and you already got that one. So you got that one and you got these 2. So you highlight this, and what I do is, now this is the first instrument, this is the snare. So if this is the snare, I'm gonna let that be the snare, and I can rename it snare. SN for snare is good enough. Okay. And that first one is a snare. And let's see. And that's a clap. Okay, but anyway, you want to now erase all of the others. That's what I do. But if you want to delete multiple ones, let me see. Okay. Yeah, you just hold it. Hold it down. That's it. Just hold the left button down and you erase it. Okay, so that's the snare by itself now. So now let's go here. Now you know that's the snare. We don't want that snare anymore on this track. So we move that snare, and we're gonna let that second one be this second track be the closed hi-hat. So I would say, because we're gonna be here, closed hi-hat CC. CHH for short, and that's the closed hi-hat right there, so everything else can be erased. And like I say, you touch the note and you left click and drag and hold the left click. That's how you erase them real quick. Okay, now that's what that is by itself. And let's hear what this last one is. That's a clap. So let's name that clap. CLP clap for me. That's what I do. And so that's this last one. So you can either go here and drag across and remove. Go here, drag across and remove. Go here, drag across and remove. So I think we got everything. Anyway, so let's cut everything back on. Boom. And the way I did that, I would right click and cut everything, highlight it right here, right click, right, everything came back on. Man, you know what? I could continue to add and mess with it and arrange it and stuff like that. But this is the type of beat that could go forever, and you can set some stuff up. I might come back and arrange some stuff, but I just wanted you to hear how you use, or show you how you use a different way to use the kits, and that's all. This is SOO E SOSS. It's SOO E SOSS Presents, and I'm going to holler back. Like I always say, be woke, not woke-ish, and that's what's up. Holler back, y'all. Peace. Yeah, yeah, yeah.